Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to save a contact on your Galaxy A17 and all its versions. First, you're going to tap this icon to make calls. We're going to tap here, for example, on this option so you can enter numbers. Now before you enter the person's phone number, you should first enter the country code of where the person is from. I'm going to press 0. You should press 0 to add this plus sign, okay? And now we'll enter the country code. I'll enter the code for Spain, for example. So now you're going to enter the person's phone number, okay? First, you should always enter the country code, which starts with this plus symbol. Then you enter the number, which would be the country code, and finally the person's phone number. You click this button here. Click here to add a contact. You choose where you want to save the contact here, and then here you'll enter the contact's name. After doing that, you click here to save, and that's it for today's video. I hope I helped you. If I did, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.